I'm sure you've heard the saying that running a business is not for the faint of heart. And that's so true. When you're running a business, especially as a small business owner, you're faced with budgets, limitation, trying to grow a team, working with contractors, navigating legal stuff, then making sales or trying to promote your content, all while doing the work that you were meant to do. Wearing so many hats can get so frustrating, and this is why I partnered with Adobe Express to bring you this special launchpad to help you grow your business. Typically, what tends to happen from what I've observed over the years is that a lot of clients initially decided to design their own brand or worked with a designer that really wasn't working with them to give them the best product, and they ended up with something that didn't feel aligned with who they were. Eventually, they came to us and we rebranded them, and this was something that would typically happen after 1 to 3 years in business. See, the first 3 years that you're going to be in your business, things will shift. And it's very important to try and start that foundation very clearly for the direction that you want to go with. And then when you are ready, you can rebrand. So the whole purpose is for me to bring this series for you to really put these strategies in place that I've helped for all of my clients so that you can apply them as you are building your brand. So I'm providing a small series that I've partnered with Adobe Express to bring you this small business brand launchpad as you can build your brand identity with steps that you can follow to get you started. We're also including an SMB Brand Starter Launchpad webpage that we designed inside Adobe Express. In this webpage, we break things down for you to easily follow in a step-by-step form to get started. I did include some samples of the client work that we've done, but then you'll also see a little bit about us, what we do, and then we get into the basics of what you need to get started. We'll include some brand identity basic templates that you want to build, and then some social media templates that we recommend getting started with. Along those lines, you'll also find all of those templates that we've designed for this series that you can access for free. So make sure that you go to this webpage, look at all the links that we are including, but also use this as your step-by-step guidance as you are building your brand identity. To get started, grab the link that we shared and make sure you log into your account. I'm using a free account over here, and then what you want to do is add this to your library. And now to find these templates, open your Adobe Express account, go to your stuff, and you can click on Libraries. And then here's where you'll find your library that you just added to your own account from the ones that I shared. And then you can go onto each template, click on the template that you want to use, and start a new file. I provided some instructions that you can use to create this design. So a little bit more context, then click on Start New File. Once you open that template, you'll see something very similar to this. Now, right now for this purpose, I'm showing you with the free version of Adobe Express because I want to make sure everyone can access this. If you already have the Creative Cloud or Adobe Express Premium, you will be able to see everything and use all the assets. Anything that has this crown icon is part of the premium subscription. So just keep that in mind, but you should be able to replace this with your own assets. I'm so excited to join you on this journey, and I hope that this is going to take you from a beginning point where you're overwhelmed and not so excited to the confidence that you deserve. Ready? Let's start. Thanks for watching. We have an entire playlist where you can learn more right over here.